Thanks for checking out the DDS182, the Bosch 18-volt EC Brushless half-inch compact duff drill driver. And this is the DDS182 itself. It features the brushless, EC brushless motor. It's 2 times the motor life, more compact and more powerful than the other motor we've had before. In the tool itself, what's really nice about it is there's 2 speeds, 0 to 500 RPM to 0 to 1700 RPM, that allows you to do an array of different drilling and driving applications. And that power in there that we've talked about, this is actually one of the most superior power tools in its class. It can even drive large auger bits where others can't. Now the tool itself also features a nice ergonomic grip in the handle, as well as a built-in work light, so when you're in dark areas and things like that, you can light things up quickly and easily. The tool also has a 4 times bit tip holder. That bit tip holder holds different bit tips that go in the magnetic bit holder as well, so if you're an electrician, a plumber, anybody, HVAC guy, a carpenter even, doing service work or doing a lot of different screw head types, you have the opportunity to just quickly switch out a bit right on the tool. Now the tool works in the Bosch flexible power system, just like all of our other Bosch Power Tools. It means a slim pack or a fat pack battery, any generation that's there. And if you want to buy the tool, you can get an array of different kits. You can get kits that come with different slim packs, fat packs, combo kits that include different power tools, as well as a bare tool option. If you want to learn more about the DDS182, check out this page, but also make sure to check out the full array of Bosch 18-volt and 12-volt lithium-ion power tools.